Barbara, you mentioned Pokemon Go, and I think that was a major buzzword around this alleged crime when it happened back in 2017. And we just heard from a forensic tech that the screen of the victim's phone, when she unlocked it, it was not on Pokemon Go. It was on a call text log. And after hearing from a detective days later, she did search the phone and found that there was some Pokemon Go activity. But the defense is arguing that there are minutes between the last activity on that Pokemon Go app and when this shooting actually took place. So we'll break down some of the evidence that we heard in court today, pictures, video, all of it introduced as evidence. Now, one of the last witnesses we heard from was a forensic tech who came out to the scene on January 26th of 2017. It was the area near the Riverwalk Clubhouse. She testified that she saw 60-year-old Jen Sheng Chen dead, sitting in the driver's seat of a blue van. The jury was shown pictures of bullet holes in the driver's side window and rear windshield, as well as the coat that the victim was allegedly wearing. Now, finally, a picture of the victim's phone and phone screen was presented into evidence. The Commonwealth's attorney said Chen was playing Pokemon Go when he was shot, but the defendant had said he only shot at Chen out of self-defense because he was driving his car at this defendant, Jonathan Cromwell. We also got body camera footage from an officer who was one of the first ones on scene.
He came in, he was following.
Now, Cromwell is wearing headphones in order to hear better during this trial, so you can see those on him. His family is in court, as well as several members of the Chen family. Now, when I stepped outside, there was a man on the stand. An interpreter had to be called in to translate Mandarin for this person, Jiansheng Dong. Now, allegedly, he was with Jiansheng Chen right before or the moments leading up to when everything occurred back in January of 2017. So we did not get to hear very much from him, from his testimony. Again, it's going to take some time with that interpreter there, but allegedly he was also playing Pokemon Go in the area. So just a lot of information that we're waiting to hear from. Of course, we'll have another update coming up at 6 o'clock tonight where you'll actually hear those shots fired and other sounds caught from a surveillance camera across the street. So make sure you keep it here on News 3.